we are going to discuss about series combination of resistance and how current and voltage division happen when the resistors are connected in series. So let us start with series combination of resistance. So for the series combination of resistance, let us assume three resistance connected in series. That's R1, R2 and R3, and then we are connected it as a circuit of supply voltage V, a potential voltage V. So whenever a potential applied through a circuit, the current flows in this circuit. Current will be same in this circuit. Why? Because it is a series resistance. So the potential divided among whenever potential applied, the potential divided among the resistance, particular resistance V1, V2, V3. So I can write it as a equivalent resistance, that is R equivalent stands for equivalent resistance. So from this equation I can say V equal to total potential across a particular resistance, that are V1 into V3. So this implies V1 equal to, from we know that from Ohm's law, V1 equal to I into R1 plus I into R2 plus I into R3. So here from this circuit, voltage equal to I into R equivalent. Suppose this is equation 1, and V equal to I take as a common R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let's suppose this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So we can see in series combination of resistance, the resistance are simply add to each other. So in generalized way, I can write as R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus N. Another equation, sigma I N equal to I Ri. So this is series combination of resistance.